Hi, my name's Polly. I'm from Penhaligon's Friends and we just wanted to share an activity with you. We recognise at this time of year it can be really hard for those of you whose dads have died with Father's Day coming up, and we thought it would be nice to share an activity that would help remember him. So we've got some mini lanterns here that we're going to use as memory lanterns, and for that you'll need a template which you'll be able to find on our Penhaligon's Friends website. And you'll need to print that out. You can do that on card or just some normal paper. I've used some coloured paper, but you may just want to use some plain. You might want some pens or pencils to colour in the template, and maybe some glitter. You'll definitely need some glue and scissors to be able to cut the template out and to glue. You might want some sticky gems, and if you have got or you're able to get hold of, you might want to find these battery tea lights that you can then use to pop the lanterns on and help light them up. So to start with, step one is to cut out the handle and the outline of the main template. And once you've done that, you should have two pieces that look like this. And then the step two is going to be decorate the template however you like. I'm going to try and use a bit of glitter and glue, but you might want to think about the person that's died and what was their favourite thing, what did they like to do, or maybe what was their favourite colour. So if their favourite colour was blue, maybe use blue card and then colour it in with a bit more blue, or use some blue glitter. I've got some gold glitter here, so I'm going to just glue onto the template and then sprinkle some glitter on. And then the next step you're going to do is step 3, which is to join together the long lengths of the main template to form a tube. So that's basically folding the two edges together. And then the next step you're going to do is cut out the lines which are marked, but it's not right to the edges, and just keep cutting along until you get to the last one, and that's forming the holes for the lantern. And then open it up, and then the next step is to secure the two long edges together with glue. And that's going round, and I'll put a little bit of glue on the end. And then, if you can see, you formed the tube. You can use glue or sellotape as well if you don't have the glue. So step 5 is to stick the handle on, and then you're going to gently press the lantern down, which will separate the lantern edges. So here's my handle. You could decorate that one as well if you like. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue at both ends, and then hopefully I can stick it inside the top of the lantern to form the handle. And then that will hang, and then I'm going to gently press down just to open up the lantern. And that's really the last bit. The last bit I said is to find a battery tea light if you have got one, but if you haven't, you might just want to hang it up somewhere in your room, so that on Father's Day you might want to light the tea light if you've got one, or you might just want to hang it up somewhere in a room and have a few moments to think about your dad and remember all those different memories that you have of spending time with him. Alright, I hope that's helpful, and please, yeah, if you want to do that activity, go to our website and you'll be able to find the template. Alright, have fun. Bye.